In this guide, you will learn how to make Gmail account without phone number in PC. Let's get started. First, open a web browser and go to Gmail. Then look at the top right corner and click on the profile icon. From there, select add another account. Then click on create account and choose for my personal use. Then enter your first and last name and click next. After that, create your Gmail username and set a strong password. Then click next again. When you reach the screen asking for a phone number or recovery mail, you can skip the phone number option by pressing skip or leaving it blank, then continue by clicking next. In case it is asking for the verification of phone number, what you can do is navigate to website where you can find free phone numbers for the verification. Copy any of the phone number, paste the phone number, click next, get the verification code in the page, then type in that code, and once verified, review all the information and complete the setup, and your account will be created. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you are able to create a Gmail account on PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.